across this 5-pack of these LED light fidget spinners. They're in clear, green, red, yellow, and blue. They're bright lights, smooth rotations, and they're perfect for kids, party favors. I'm going to use them for Easter baskets, or you could also use them for adult stress relief. But so each one has a plastic case. You open it up, and it is durable, not lightweight at all. Great for fidgeting and focus, helping to de-stress. Perfect for children, perfect for adults, perfect for anybody who loves a fidget. What I really like about these is 1 click, turns the lights on. 2 clicks, turns them on even more. And then 3 clicks, slows it down. 4 clicks, turns it off. So sturdy, smooth, durable plastic, high quality bearings, satisfying experience. So if you want a fun distraction, keep your little hands busy, keep your kids' hands busy. These are perfect for a classroom, perfect for little gifts, little stuffers, gift stuffers. And you know what? You may end up keeping one yourself.